This video shows how to make a boozy Gin Blueberry Lavender Gelee using a poached fruit soda syrup and a honeydew molasses coconut cream fool. To make a boozy gelee, first bloom a sheet of gelatin in a bowl of cold water, then measure an ounce shot or 30 milliliters of blueberry lavender soda syrup and an ounce shot of gin into a 4-ounce mason jar and place the jar in a shallow pot with water hot enough to melt the gelatin. Then add boiling hot water over the syrup to just below the rim, and when the gelatin is soft, squeeze out the excess water and mix it into the syrup until the gelatin is dissolved, which is when the mixture reaches a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then transfer the jar to the refrigerator to set the gelatin for at least 2 hours, but longer is better. To make honeydew molasses coconut fool, open a can of organic coconut milk and strain off the coconut syrup. Then transfer the coconut cream at the bottom of the can to a mixing bowl and add a splash of vanilla extract. Whip out the lumps and transfer it to a piping bag with a starred tip and refrigerate until you want to use it. The gelee can be served as is or with a small piping of coconut cream covered in honeydew molasses, which is also called a fruit fool.